If you're encountering this problem, we couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again in 1 hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve it step by step. Don't worry, if you have any other issues, please leave a comment. I'll be happy to assist you. Or you can contact me on Instagram at LooneyJP for further assistance. Let's get started. Now, to fix this problem, go to your phone settings, scroll down, and tap on apps. Then select the app you usually receive SMS messages with and give it all the necessary permissions. Guys, this is very important. You have to do this. Do the same for the Gmail app on your phone in case the code is sent by email instead. Next, select WhatsApp, go to storage, tap clear cache, and then tap on force stop. Click OK. Once we've done all that correctly, we can now open WhatsApp to set it up and make sure to grant all the required permissions. Next, select the country associated with the number, then enter the phone number correctly and click next so WhatsApp can send us the verification code. Follow carefully, guys. As you can see, WhatsApp can also send the verification code by email, so I'll enter the code to verify the number. This way, as you can see, the number gets verified without any issues. Now, we can finish setting up WhatsApp without any problems. The steps aren't complicated. You just need to follow my instructions carefully to not miss any secrets and updates. It's really important to join my Telegram channel, LooneyJP, where you can get all the remaining solutions. Stay tuned for the next video. It's very important. Bye bye.